Welcome back to Plant Hunter TV. Last night I filmed how I removed these grapevines, but apparently the microphone didn't want to work. Removed all of it. I think that's the mother plant, and found two more currants. I think it's black currant, smells like black currant. But I will continue to prune today. So let's begin. Now cleaned up. All the old branches are removed, mostly young, a few older. I don't know if it's plum, it's like bitter sour, pulls your mouth together. So, and they don't like this fruit. You can do vine or like different sauce for meat, but this year we're not going to pick the fruit. Here we have another currant. Good if we cut this back and let young new shoots grow out. And we found the frog again. I think it's a lot of frogs here. This one, just do like this. I would like to air layer this big fat stump. This to say. These two, I think I will do bonsai from in the spring. That was all for today. Thank you for watching. It was fun, hard work. Now we are packing to go home. It's in the middle of September now, so don't know how much time we have left before winter comes. And winter we can't really be here, it's too cold. So we will see how many episodes left this year. But stay tuned, subscribe, like and share. Hit that notification bell. See you!